export industry like feed formulation?
Oh, it's there, no?
They're dependent on that now?
Yes, we're efficient, no? On that ground. Ang problema natin is that most of the ingredients are still imported.
Ang protein natin.
Oo, no? Yung mga fish meal, soya, all of these are...
Ang soya.
Oo. But of course, we can readily use the janitor fish, no? Fish meal. Diba? Sabi nila, it's a test, no? It's not a test, no? We can always stop that as fish meal.
What about yung scales nila?
Kasama na yan. Alam mo, when they make fish meal, kasama na yung bones, yung head, yung scale, and tails, and all that, no? In fact, that's what makes the Peruvian fish meal good, no?
Anybody who would like to invest on this, readily available sa kanya yung raw material sa pang-grader lang. Dami. Libre na yan.
Mag-interview ka muna.
Katalogin mo na lang.
Exactly, libre. Kasi meron naman yung people who will touch it. We'll have to be paid. But it can be used as fish meal. Hindi yan...
Pero wala pang negosyo ganyan yan.
Wala pa.
Mommy, no, please. Mommy, no internet. You're grounded.
Problema yan.
You're grounded. Okay, turn off the computer. Turn it off.
Magkano na per kilo ng formulated?
Well, depends, no? If it's for tilapia in bango, it would cost anywhere from 25 to 28 pesos per kilo.
Maggie! Maggie!
Hindi, mga 1.8.
Maggie!
1.3 to 1.5.
Come here.
So may kita pa rin.
But it all depends on the area where you're coaching fish. No? If the area is rich in natural food, then you hardly have to feed them. Like if it's in Laguna Lake, no? Nobody feeds the fish.
Pero lately, I heard you have pioneered in long time ago, to develop this so-called Mekong catfish. Natikman ko yun sa talagang sarap-sarap eh. Ano yung sitwasyon ngayon ng negosyo na yan?
Before that, let me tell you that before that, let me tell you na you mentioned about 2,000 species of fish. No? But of course, not all fish can be cultivated, can be cultured. No? There are specific characteristics. No? And unfortunately, ang Pilipinas does not have a lot of variety na suitable for aquaculture. No? Anyway, itong, yes, there's the Pangasius, no, which is very popular now. No? Ito yung Mekong Kandule or Mekong, or, Vietnam catfish, no? This is indigenous in the Mekong River, no? Kaya nga tinawag yung Mekong catfish. And so when you say Mekong Kandule, this is found in Thailand, in Cambodia, and Vietnam. Pero ang Vietnam was the one who really developed the market, no, for this particular kind of fish. And right now, it's a 1 billion annual business, no, for Vietnamese. Yes. No, they export nila. Yes, it's white meat kasi, no? It's white meat.
Para fish fillet.
They make it into fillet.
Pangit yung effect niya kapag pinakinggan dyan eh. Pangit nga. No, magkano kita. Pangit nga effect niyan pag dyan eh. 1, 2, ready? Huwag na.